Fam, we're back. It's Monday. And it feels like Monday. Just one of those days. Like Limp Bizkit says, when you don't want to wake up. I don't know what it is. The Mondays are a real deal. Real deal. Let's get this thing walked back there and see what customer's supposed to cut all them trees down this week. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like you got one tree down. That's about it. I'm going to want to take a chillaxer this weekend, I guess. Here's a little progress. I got all them trees down, getting them worked up. I ain't been to you guys live. It's Monday, and I just ain't felt it. I already had to crush a Red Bull, and man, Monday's a real deal. Not bringing my fam along. Guys, after my debacle the other day, I told him I was sick the whole freaking day, so he's gonna play around and take this one down. It ain't ready yet. Well, maybe it is. Here it goes. That's how you do it. Yeah, they're not in very good here for some reason. They don't go very deep. That's a lot of firewood for central boiler. Clean her up so we can push her out of the way. Guys, I know just from side by siding and the stuff we've already sent out and put on that you can't really tell altitude or the daggone degree of a hill as far as how steep it is, but you're looking at him there and that tree there. There is the orange post right here. I'm pretty sure this right here where I'm standing has to be down to about where he's cutting that tree, that grade. So, man, that has to be 30 feet. Let's see what Kevin says. This has to be to that grade, right?
What?
This, yeah. What do you think? That's 30 feet?
Deep? He said 20.
From here to there? Oh, from here to that, I mean straight down here?
Yeah.
You said it was
20? Well,
I don't know.
let's say it's deceiving. But it's a lot. There's going to be a lot of dirt come out. And it's got to go all the way to that yellow one down there. Of course, we got to taper the hill back. Plenty of dirt. I just hope we don't throw the earth off balance and spin us out into space. If we do, that's it. Orschell Excavating, the demise of man. But we had a good time doing it.
Pinched again? I don't know if it's you or what, but man, just every time you're around, it pinches.
I know. Like I said, he runs a chainsaw just like I do.
One pinch at a time.
Yeah. That's how you get it done. Every branch. That's how I do it. Anybody can cut and keep going. The guy that pinches them, the one that
I never used to pinch them that much.
The trees.
I always think they're just starting to move. As soon as it moves, I'll pull it out and I'm like,
Too low, too late.
oh,
Well,
shit.
well, when it's cutting super good like that, you don't want to stop. You're just eating in. Well, we got a little bit of progress today. We got to get these trees out of the way so we can start making some headway. We're going pretty far up in there, so we got to take some shots tomorrow. See how this thing's gonna lay out. I'm gonna that orange yellow stake over there tapered up, or from that all the way across here. We're gonna fill. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for doing what you do. Wasn't too interesting. It's a Monday. I've said it before and I'll say it again. We'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. Fam, we're back. And we got a lot more rain than I thought. It's muddy back here. We're back. We had a day off yesterday. We got a new state of mind today. It's good what a day off would do for you. Clear your mind, getting back into a positive attitude. Let's get this thing fired up. I'm gonna crawl up there, just start cleaning that hill, throwing it down. We'll get her dried up. Start digging out this hill here, throw a little dirt out. Brought the laser so we can kind of find out where our grades are. Really wet. Guys, new summer edition.
Oh Lord.
I couldn't wait for Idaho.
Caruba elderflower. You're just making crap up now.
I've never even heard those names before. That just sounds disgusting.
Well, you know it's got to be artificially flavored because there's no such thing as that stuff. They're like, what can we say we're putting in it?
It's a Caruba flower.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll get you a swaller.
I'm going to.
Hopefully this deceives us like the whatever it was. The pear cinnamon. I thought it'd be horrible, and I like it.
It's citrusy. It seems like for a flower drink. Our spring's going again.
I know, that thing's rolling. Look at that. We bottle that.
Where he said he's going to put his well.
It's coming right there, ain't it? Look at it. It's a wash today. I tried digging down. It's just too wet.
Yeah, this is just walking back here.
You put any of that wet stuff in there and start burying it, and never dry out. You got to put it in dry lifts. I mean, if it was super hot today and pulling the moisture out, you could put it in. But it's just when you're putting lifts in and packing it, you got to have your dirt right. It'll stay pumpy. You got to do it when the time's right. So we got to step back, recalculate. I guess I'm gonna use the Bobcat and skid loader tomorrow. We're gonna start a job down the road from the Hammer's house. I have to start lining that up, and then I guess today I'm gonna go work on the rental house, trying to get that finished up. We'll catch you wherever we catch you here in the next day or so.
That's right. Bear with us.
Bear with us.